it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair video for you guys and it is on how I do my mermaid waves. So I've been seeing mermaid waves and crimping hairstyles like all over Instagram and social media and just TikTok and literally everything these days. So I thought I would show you guys how I do it for my hair. And yeah, it's really simple to do, but it does take a little bit of time just because of the way you crimp it. Like, it's not just once and then you hold it. You have to like do it multiple times, like all the way down your hair. And if you're like me and you have a lot of hair, then yeah, it's gonna take a little longer than normal to get ready. So the crimping tool that I'm using today, I got on Amazon. It looks like this. There's actually so many on Amazon right now, and just like a lot of different brands and like hair companies, I guess, are selling these. But mine is from Revlon. This is what it looks like, and it's just a crimper. It has like three crimps, I guess you want to call it. I don't even know, but this was actually only like $24 or $25, so I highly recommend it. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. So cheap and it works very well. Like, I'm very happy with how my hair looks with this. So if you guys want to see how I did my mermaid waves that I love right now, then keep watching and let's get started. I don't know why I didn't talk here to explain what I was doing, but I'm gonna talk in just a sec. I realized I didn't even talk in this. I don't know what I'm doing. I was supposed to talk and then I forgot to talk and then I already started. Okay, whatever. I'll talk now. But okay, so basically, sorry, I have my camera in front so I can't really see the back because I also have a ring light there. So I don't really have a mirror. I should probably get a mirror like below me. Let's just see how this goes. But anyways, okay, so what I did first, I don't know why I totally forgot to talk earlier. But basically, you take your crimping tool and you take, I like to take about like 1 inch to 2 inches, depending how I feel for that section of hair. But you take the clamp like in front and you just start clamping, and I hold it for about maybe like 5 seconds per clamp. So let me show you an example of this next one I'm doing. And if I go like this, I'm sorry, there's just like a mirror behind the camera so that I can see better if I go like that. I really need to think of a situation of what to do. But basically, okay, so you're gonna take a section like this. Okay, well, not really like this, maybe like in half. I started crimping it like this, downwards, like towards, with the wand is towards the front. So depending on which way you clamp it, it'll be wavier than the other side. So you can turn it, and I'll show you guys in a sec. But if you see, or actually, this one's pretty good, but I know there are other crimpers that change the way that your hair looks. So if you wanted more like natural, like beachy wave type of look, I would suggest going from the front side and then crimping from the back side, just so the waves are like different between each section. So let me show you guys the other way. So take your crimper. This way is harder because you kind of have to hold the whole big like tool with your thumb and the crimper. Oh, it's just weird. Okay. Anyways, so you start off like this at the very top. Crimp it. This side is so much harder because my hands are not very big. So hold it for like 3 to 5 seconds, depending how curly you want it to look or how wavy you want it to look. So basically, when you crimp it at the very top, and it's harder to see because this whole section is like blocked off. You can't really see your hair. So if you're closer to the mirror, I'm not today, it'll be easier. So 1 second. So like the other side, you kind of just want to make sure that the crimp falls at the same dip as the previous one. So I used to have one of these when I was little, like younger, and I had no idea what I was doing. So basically I was like crimping it randomly. I don't know, it did not look very cute, but now I know. So you keep going like every 1 dip. So you just do this for your whole head basically. Takes a while. I want to say This will take me like 30 minutes maybe to do my whole head if I'm just like in front of the mirror by myself. Pretty much done. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. This side versus these two strands. You see the difference? Okay, actually, I think you can kind of tell the difference. So the front two are more of like a flat wave, but then the back one, it looks a little more like curly. So I guess it really depends how you like it. I like to wear both sides, just, yeah, it really depends how I feel that day. But let's keep going. And I want to do like more beachy waves today, so I'm going to keep on flipping front and back. Okay, you guys see how, you can actually see it here. So every time you crimp, you're going to move it down. So it was, where was it? It was here, so you're going to move it like here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see it, like, look at it like this because far from me, but this is how you do it. Like every dip you just change a little lower. I hope that this makes sense to you guys. I guess you can also grab like bigger chunks too, but I like to do it like this. I think I need to fix my front pieces because I'm not very happy with it. But I will come back to it. Must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie. I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit. And I just realized that I put it a little too low, so I just turned it up a little. This takes a while, so I would suggest playing music or listening to a podcast or watching a YouTube video or something if you're just like alone by yourself, because I'm like doing this in silence. Justin's just working on the bed, trying to distract me. Oh, this looks so weird back and forth. I'm gonna have to tussle it a little later. Okay, so when I get to the middle, it's like pretty even in the back. I will change it. So take the front to the back and the back to the front, and you'll do the same for this side. I actually like to go from the back. I just like to go like around one way. I don't know why, I've always done that, but you can totally go from like the front back if you'd like. So it's a little harder for this side because the clamp is like in the very back of your right, so it feels super awkward when you're holding it. So do what you can. Throw it to the back. Hello. Hi, Buggy. Do you want a kiss? Thank you. It's hot. It's hot. Careful. You're gonna burn yourself. Kiss. Thank you. I love you. You guys see how it's kind of flatter this way? I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet then he coasters. I got a selfie with Kilo's just in my background. Okay, this is going to be a super long video, so I'm going to keep curling and then I will come back when I'm almost at the end. I'm on my last strand, so I'm going to do it forward since my other side I did it forward. There's Kilo again. He wants us to play with him and take him OUT. So at the end, I'm almost done. I'm going to show you guys, I think it'll look better for this side, but I'll show you like right in the middle and you'll see that this side is flatter than the other side. Can you tell? You see this? So basically like right here, it's like super dented out, and then this side's a little soft dent, if you know what I'm saying. You can see it right here. And I totally missed a piece. Fail. It's like a small piece though, so you can't really tell anyways. But I'll just crimp it really quickly. Oh shit. Sorry. And then when you're done, just go back. Oh gosh, my earring fell out. So when you're done, go back and like fix the little hairs, little strands that you think need a little touch up. So for me, it's like this one. Oof. This one is so not cute, so I'm just gonna go back with my crimp and do it one more time. Hopefully this is better. Okay, a little better. So I like to just throw it up a little and comb through it with your fingers just to loosen it a little so it doesn't look too perfect if you're looking for that like beachy wave type of look. So I'll turn around and then show you guys what my hair looks like from the back, but don't judge me. I need to go get my roots done and my hair is just like crazy right now, but I'm going to show you guys anyways what it looks like. Oh, my back roots are like really bad. Okay, so you can totally like hairspray it or like add any oils you like. I typically don't really hairspray too much for my hair just because I don't like that feeling of like your hair being hard from the hairspray, and also mine usually will stay in place all day if it's like normal weather. If it's hot and humid, of course it's gonna like flatten out. But if it's not, if it's good weather, then my hair will last like at least a few days like this. Crimping, I think, will hold a little longer than a curl does, so I like that about crimping. I never really need to worry that like my curl's gonna drop, I guess you want to call it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have these like little hairs growing like this. There's like, it's like maybe 2-3 inches. I think in November, December, I was like bald for a little bit at some spots of my hair just because I have alopecia. So sometimes I like to curl this. We've come a long way, you guys. Like I was bald like a patch here. So this is like really good. It's grown like 3 inches. Very proud of myself or of my body. And if you guys didn't know, alopecia is when your hair's like follicles or your hair tissues are like fighting each other. So that's what causes your hair to fall out. It's like an autoimmune disease. So I'm just gonna spray it a little just to flatten it. I think I scared Kilo. He's running away. Sorry. So just tap it a little. And you can of course spray like all this if you want, but I'm not going to today because I'm not going anywhere. Maybe I would do it if I was like outside in the heat, but I'm not. But I am gonna take this Fanola. I really like this. It's a restructuring serum that I've been using for a long time. Or not a long time, but ever since they sent this to me to try. Not sponsored, but I just take a little pump, rub it. Usually I do this after I shower. After my hair is damp, I will rub this, but it just like gives it a little shine to your hair. And it smells so good. It's like watermelon smell. I wish you guys could smell this on my hands right now. Okay, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a little something from this video. Mermaid waves right now are like so in, so it's like perfect for the summer. Okay, I think this video has been long enough, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait to meet